Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Eyebrows, foundation, and concealer is already done. Starting off with the palette I received on BOXYCHARM by Pure, I'm going to start with the shade Private Party all over the lid to help me blend better later on. Moving into the shade Gala, I'm going to get a blending brush and I'm going to place this shadow all over her crease as a transition shade. Using the same eyeshadow brush, I'm going to go into Stunner and place that on the outer corners of the eyes and also a little bit under her crease. Now I'm using a clean blending brush just to blend the edges. With the same blending brush, I'm going to go ahead and go into the color Snazzy. And this color I'm going to place on the outer corners of the eyes. And when I have less product, I'm going to go ahead and blend that into the crease a little bit as well. Now I'm going into the Crown palette in Glam Metals. I'm going to take the shade Black Metal and I'm going to go ahead and place that in the outer corners of the eyes, close to the lashes, to darken it up a little bit and give me some more depth. I'm just dusting away some fallout here. Going back to the palette, I am picking Heavy Metal and I'm spraying my brush with a little bit of Fix Plus for more intensity, and I'm going to place that all over the lid. And I am just blending away the edges. Now I'm going to go in with the Tattoo Liner by Kat Von D and I'm going to give her a cat eye. Now I'm going to go ahead and apply mascara on the top lashes and apply these lashes by Pure in the style Bombshell. Going back to the palette, I'm going to pick the shade Move and I'm going to go ahead and highlight her brow bone with that. And also I'm going to take a black kohl liner and put that on the waterline, and I'm going to smoke her bottom lash line. Now what I'm going to do is bronze her face with MAC Mineralized, I believe it's a bronzer called Give Me Sun. I'm also going to use this bronzer to bronze her forehead and her nose a little bit. And going with the Kat Von D Shade and Light palette, I'm going to contour her cheekbones and also a little bit on the sides of her nose and her forehead. I'm going to use the the lightest shade to brighten up her under eyes and also to sharpen up her contour. Now I'm using a blush by MAC called Modern Mandarin, and I'm going to go ahead and place that on the apples of her cheeks, blending towards the contour in the back. Using Ultra Cosmetics highlighter in Everglow, I'm going to use the middle shade to brighten up her cheekbones, and I'm going to use the top shade on top to make it a little bit more blinding, and also I'm going to use that shade in the inner corners of her eyes and a little bit on her nose. I chose a red lipstick by Sephora. This is a red lip stain in the shade 01. Spray a little bit of All Nighter by Urban Decay and the look is complete. Thank you everyone so much for watching. Please make sure to click on my picture to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.